What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Just felt like going on a drive, so I'm gonna make a quick POV. It's been more than a month since I've taken this car out for a drive. And every time I take it out, I enjoy every second of it. On the freeway, it's a 30-minute drive to Azusa Canyon. My people from California would know where that is. So yeah, we're gonna meet up with a friend. He just bought an M4, so he's gonna cruise with us. So yeah guys, to be honest, I make a video, I get motivated, make a video, and then something happens in my life, I get depressed. And all while that's happening, you have to have a job, you need to pay bills. So sometimes it just gets difficult to, I don't know, to do stuff I want to do. And all I end up doing is being a robot, working and coming home, sleeping, eating. And I know a lot of people go through that. And every now and then I'm able to come out of the funk. Yeah guys, I feel like you guys can barely hear anything right now because the top is open. Alright guys, so I made it to the location, Azusa Target. This is my friend's car, F82 competition. He just got it not too long ago. Guys, for obvious reasons, I'm not going to be able to keep up, but the point is to just cruise together, so it's all good. My car is an old man, and the M4 could probably my grandchild.
1
close for me, you know. I don't want to make promises other than that I want to buy a fast car. Sorry, I missed the beat. Alright guys, just gonna do the outro real quick, and there's a few things I want to talk about. First, let's talk about the new series that's coming up. So it's gonna be flip or flop. Basically, I'm just gonna buy cars off Facebook Marketplace and fix them up, clean them up, and try to resell it for a higher price and make a profit. And I'm hoping that's a series you guys will enjoy. I can give you guys an insight already. I have a car. I think I've mentioned that before. I have a Lexus GX. That video is gonna come up soon. At the end of the video, I'm gonna discuss how much I spent on maintenance, how much I paid for the car, and how much I sold it for. So we're gonna keep a tally of how much money we are making or losing. There's that, and it's gonna be a mix of cars from all brands. It's gonna be BMWs, Lexus, whatever I feel like is gonna make money. And also I'm gonna take input from you guys in the comment section. So if there's any car you guys wanna recommend for me to buy and flip, we're gonna also try to do that. So there's that. Another thing I want to address is, on my last video, someone commented that they want my username, the one I have now on YouTube. And if you're watching this video, my answer is no. I'm not giving up that username. It's my name, and I'm super happy that I was able to get it. So no, sorry man, you're not gonna get that, and I'm not gonna give it up. So there's that. And lastly, I'm gonna talk about why I don't really post regularly, despite the fact I want to. Number one, obviously life gets in the way. I have a job, I have bills just like all of you. So it's kind of hard to juggle job and going to the gym, making videos, and also maintaining relationships with your family and friends, giving them time. And I have 2 dogs, they also get my time. So sometimes I get, lazy or tired, which stops me from posting. That's one thing. The other thing is, not too long ago, I was going through a really bad period in my life, both mentally, physically, and also the circumstances surrounding my life. But thank God, most of it has passed, and I'm trying to do better mentally every day, and also physically I'm trying to be healthy. And lastly, I would want to say is, it's hard on YouTube to be making videos and growing, because the second I log on to YouTube, what do I see first? Stradman Skonisek, Doug DeMuro's Porsche 918, Uvi's garage, 50 cars in his garage, Ed Bolian with a Bugatti, Movies with a Bugatti, Matt Armstrong rebuilding a Bugatti, AMG, this, that, any car you can think of under the sun, high-end cars, these people are rebuilding or building, buying, which is not possible for me to be spending money to be buying those cars. I just can't justify it. So yeah guys, I don't know how many of you are gonna stick along to the end of the video, but if you do, please go ahead and leave me a comment so I know you're watching. And yeah guys, like always, I just want to say I appreciate all of you who subscribe to my channel and stays back to watch videos. So for the people who stays back and listens to me with an open mind, I appreciate all of you. Thank you. And it's only for you guys that I still make videos and talk in my videos, and I try to put myself out there. But yeah guys, I think it would have been better if I talked about all this in the front of the video, but I don't want to be, negative and a downer at the beginning of the video. So yeah guys, if you're going through stuff in life, just light at the end of the tunnel. So no matter how down you feel, or how broken you feel, or how defeated you feel, just hold on. Hold on. I know mostly my viewers are men, so hold on, keep up the fight, and just don't give up. So yeah guys, with that said,